What if the answer to one of chemistry's biggest questions came from a dream?
Something strange happened that night. Atoms that shouldn't move.
Those atoms started to dance.
What a wonderful dream!
In the previous page, I discovered that molecules can hide more than one face. But how do atoms come together? How do they become structure?
In the 19th century, one chemist kept asking the same question.
One chemist kept asking, how do atoms become molecules? He imagined atoms moving, joining.
He didn't see formulas. He saw movement.
He did not discover structure by looking at a page. He discovered it by watching atoms dance.
Atoms do not gather randomly. They connect into structures that can be drawn.
The pages stopped turning. The space between.
You look as though you've come with a question.
I have.
Are you studying?
Trying to understand.
Professor Kekulé,
How did you discover how atoms connect?
I didn't begin with an answer. It began with a question.
I thought chemistry was only symbols. Until one day,
That day, the atoms stopped being still.
stop being still.
I stopped memorizing them and started watching them.
Fine summer evening, I was returning by the last omnibus outside, as usual.
Through the deserted streets of the metropolis, which are at other times so full of life, I fell into a reverie.
And lo, the atoms were gamboling before my eyes. I saw how, frequently, two smaller atoms united to form a pair.
How still larger ones kept hold of 3 or even 4 of the smaller, whilst the whole kept whirling in a giddy dance.
The dancing atoms, moving, spinning, do smile like dastas batas. Another jolt.
I saw how the larger ones formed a chain.
I spent part of the night putting on paper at least sketches of these dream forms.
Sometimes, the greatest is begin with a single observation.
I didn't begin with an answer. It began with a question.
Sometimes, understanding begins before the answer appears.
So that's how it began. Structure wasn't discovered in a laboratory.
It began with imagination and careful observation.
Atoms were no longer isolated particles. They were connected.
Structural theory changed chemistry forever.
It revealed that atoms are connected in definite ways.
Each atom forms a specific number of bonds.
And the arrangement of those bonds creates the structure of a molecule.
So the structure, not just the atoms, determines the molecule itself. If every molecule has a structure, chemists must have a way to draw it.
So molecules are not just collections of atoms. They have an architecture.
Atoms are connected in definite ways. Their arrangement gives every molecule its identity.
All right. So now, I understand how atoms connect.
It felt like the book was telling me, don't stop at the formula. Look at the structure.
But how do chemists write all of this? So molecules had a language all along.
In the next page, I'll learn how to read it.
Every page hides a mystery. Every molecule tells a story. And this is only the beginning.
Join this channel and discover the wonders of organic chemistry.
Hello, I'm Aisha from Chemistry 66. Together, we will discover the wonders of organic chemistry.